Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki manungda charangnaba amata leite Congress ke MLA khudingmakka pau faunanaba hotnari MLA Govindas Konthauzam hauzik party dagi tokpagi wafam leitre MLA Joy Kisan ga su pau faunare ngasi MLA Joy Kisan ga unaraba yai Congress ki oinadi thabak ama pangthokpada taha tauba chatnade oirakliba fibam asi Kupna yengdina lakadoriba mikhal gi thabak paikhat pahore haina AICC gi Manipur in charge Bhakta Charan Das na phongdurakli wafam asingasi classic grande da paumi singa unaba amada AICC gi in charge Bhakta Charan Das na phongdokhibani MPCC gi manungda hauzik oiriba fibam asigi matangda paumi singna hangba wahang amagi pau khumpiraduna Bhakta Charan Das na hai MPCC gi manungda hauzik chayetna ba amata leite Manipur da hauzik oiriba political gi fibam asi kupna yenglaga lakadoriba mikhal gi thawrang su paikhat pa haure masigi damak tongan ba Congress ki MLA sing ex MLA sing amadi intending candidate singa amamamta oina unaduna watanari Makoi gi constituency singda mikhal gi thabak paikhat pa haunana bahaikre organization gi manungi oinasu organization gi tongan ba luching ba singna akan mamawongda thabak paikhatli MPCC gi president gi fam gi tang tab ama athubada khanglagani Manipur gi miyamna Congress ta thazaba leire mamangda BJP na laingak paikhiba adusu maningthong dagi changlaga paikhibani miyamna makhoida miyam gi taseng ba vote adu pikhiba natte maramaduna miyam gi thazaba manghandana ba lakadoriba mikhalda mai paknana ba Congress gi thawrang paikhat pa hore haina Bhakta Charan Das na makata ki
We are not very hasty, but we have started election of the different assembly constituency. Constituency-wise monitoring we have started. Today, since morning, around 10 assembly constituency, ex-MLAs, the constituency-wise they give the briefing to me. Some people are having engagement, that's why they could not come. 14 MLAs were there, 12 were there. One came and met me yesterday, and another who is sick, he is having COVID. Mr. Didi Taisi is having COVID, so he could not come. He had a talk with us. And Mr. Jaikishan spoke to me over telephone. Today he is likely to meet me. Even Govindas has not left the party so far. We are trying to be in touch with all our MLAs. There is nothing that in absence of president something is not happening. It is not that. Voters, people of Manipur are pro-Congress minded. They have voted Congress, empowered Congress many times, and Congress has stood by the people of Manipur